Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp security tips and tricks. Recently, WhatsApp released a new features that allow you to replace your WhatsApp two-factor authentication PIN with passcode. All you have to do is to make sure you update your WhatsApp to a new version. After you update to a latest version of WhatsApp, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. Then have you open up your WhatsApp app, you want to make sure you click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to settings. Then go ahead and make sure you click on accounts. Under the account right here, proceed to two-step verification. So at this point here, you have the update right here. Go ahead and click on create password. And here you go. The next thing you want to do, replace PIN with a password. Go ahead and click on create password right here. Then here you go. Enter your new password and retype your new password. And once you are done, click on save right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp security topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.